In GuardsPro, you can invite your clients to access the client portal, where they can easily check the reports and view other important information. You can give the client admin access on one email ID, and there can be other users, such as the post site manager at the client's end, who have access to a few selective post sites. To get started, click on Clients on the main menu and select Clients from the drop-down. Once on the main Clients page, select the client you want to give access to the client portal. The first contact you will add will have the admin access to the client portal and can access details for all the post sites under this client. Click on the Client Portal Access tab and then the Invite button. In the pop-up box, enter the contact name and the email address. Here, you can select what details you want the user to have access to. Just select the required options and hit Invite. The client will receive an email invitation with a link to create an account on the client portal. To add sub-users to the client portal, after you've clicked on the Invite button, in the pop-up box, enter the contact name and the email address. And from the drop-down menu, select the post sites for which you want to give access to. The user can only access the details of the post site selected. Once done, hit Invite. If need be, or if requested by the client, you can edit the access level of the admin or the users. You can edit what details are accessible to the client. This will be applicable to both the admin and the sub-user. To do so, click on the Action button on the respective user and select Edit. Now, make the necessary changes and hit Submit. Your changes are successfully saved. For the sub-user, you can edit what post sites are accessible. Repeat the same steps, just edit the Assign Post Sites section and hit Update. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.